Yes, Tim. Well, House Speaker John Boehner is currently meeting with fellow GOP members to rally more support around his bill that, of course, we saw that delayed vote at the end of the last trading session. What comes from this meeting may, of course, affect sentiment throughout this trading session and into the weekend. Moving over to economic data, of course, the second quarter gross domestic product, as we just heard, expanded at a 1.3% annual rate after only seeing a 0.4% gain in the first quarter. Now, this was the weakest 6 months period that we've seen since the economic recovery began in the second quarter of 2009. Of course, that economic data going to affect sentiment as well. Over in earnings, at Chevron down more than 1%. The oil giant's second quarter earnings surged 51%, mostly on these higher oil prices we've been seeing over the last few months. Yet revenue fell short of analyst expectations at the close of last session. Of course, we saw their main rival ExxonMobil also missing forecasts. Yahoo, meanwhile, the internet giant, up 2.5%. This is following an agreement finally with their Chinese partner Alibaba Group over Alipay. Alibaba Group will essentially get $2 to $6 billion under this agreement from an IPO involving Alipay. Yahoo, of course, having a 43% stake in the Alibaba Group. And lastly, Expedia, the travel website, performing the best on the S&P at the moment. They're currently up way more than 5% after second quarter profits came in at $140 million. That's compared to the $114 million we saw in the same quarter last year. As well, revenue rose for them as well to just over $1 billion, which beat forecasts. Back to you, Tim.